What's the meaning of cargoes? Cargoes. Cargoes.
Cargoes. Cargoes. Cargoes refers to the goods or commodities that are transported by ships, trucks, or other means of transportation. These can include raw materials, finished products, or even living organisms like livestock. Cargoes play a crucial role in international trade, allowing goods to be transported across long distances and enabling businesses to access new markets. The handling, storage, and transportation of cargoes require specialized infrastructure, equipment, and expertise, and involve significant logistical challenges. Overall, cargoes are a key component of global commerce and contribute to the growth and development of economies around the world.